I see a lot of stuff on the internet about shock travel, but I can tell you that these bolt-on shocks with their large diameter and their position-sensitive dampening are going to perform a lot better than a smaller shock with more travel. These big 3.2 internal bypass shocks, latest and greatest on the market for these new Toyota and Lexus platforms, and these things are massive. Have a patented internal design and provide sensitive and velocity specific dampening, which is going to give you the best ride through any terrain. They're very similar to what comes on a lot of the race vehicles. A lot of the same technology has been carried over, and now they're available for your street truck or SUV. Look at all the upgrades compared to the old 2.5 series Fox shocks that we're used to installing. You've got a 3.2 inch diameter body, which is going to give you a bigger piston and more dampening force. You have these massive finned reservoirs that you're not going to be able to overheat on your vehicle. And we have the new DSC Evo system. This new DSC Evo utilizes variable valve control on the high-speed circuit and doesn't add preload to the shim stack to adjust high-speed dampening. The result is a more confident, independent high and low speed circuit and increased capacity for big hits. These Fox 3.2 shocks with internal bypass provide the support, adjustment, and confidence you need while driving at speed. Experience race level, race bred performance next time you leave the paint pit.